Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make churro Kit Kats. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Once again, we're asking the question, is it cookie or is it candy? And once again, the answer is, we don't care. A while back, I heard someone talking about churros, fried dough with sugar and cinnamon. It reminded me of the churro toffee I made almost 4 years ago. Believe it or not, I don't. Anyway, I started wondering if I could find another way to share that delightful cinnamon sugar combo, and I fell back on my old friend Kit Kats, the cookie/candy that offers infinite possibilities. This one's a little different than previous iterations though, as it's going to include a layer of cinnamon cream. Let's see what we can do with it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own churro Kit Kats, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For the filling, I'm using 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we'll need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 24 vanilla sugar wafer cookies, and 1 10-ounce package of white melting wafers. I'm also using a couple of bowls, a mixer, a spreader, a cutting board, some parchment, a whisk, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. I cut the wafer cookies in half, but you can leave them whole if you'd like. In a mixing bowl, combine the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar, continuing to mix until it's evenly combined. Mix in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and the vanilla extract until it's blended and creamy. Spread some filling on the flat side of a cookie. Press another cookie on top to create a sandwich and place it on the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the cookies. Combine the granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in a small bowl and set it aside. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the entire 10-ounce package of white chocolate wafers according to the package instructions, stirring until smooth. Dip a cookie sandwich into the white chocolate, drain the excess, and return it to the cutting board. Immediately sprinkle some of the cinnamon sugar mixture over the top. Repeat with the remaining sandwiches and refrigerate them for about 5 minutes to fully set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte vá. Okay, first off, very sweet, as one might expect. Nice crunch, and the cinnamon flavor is spot on. Truth be told, the only thing keeping this from really tasting like a churro is the lack of fried dough. Having said that though, for being a candy version of that county fair treat, this ain't bad at all. If you're looking for a cinnamon sugar hit but don't want to break out the deep fryer, you really ought to try these. And once again, a while back I learned, no, I didn't learn. Press another cookie on top to create a sandwich and place it on the... For being a candy version of that country fair treat, no, not a country fair. If you're looking for a